Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix if mobile data is not working on Realme 100 Lite. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So open quick settings panel, so just swipe down and turn on flight mode and turn off flight mode. Turn on or turn off flight mode 1 to 3 times. After the process, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, so check your internet connection. Internet connection is work properly. After check internet connection, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down to and click on system and update. After click on system and update, click on backup and reset and click on reset phone. Click on reset network settings. Enter phone pin. Enter phone pin and click on reset. After click on reset, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, so last solution is factory reset. Click on settings app. Scroll down to end, click on system and update. Click on backup and reset. Reset phone and click on factory reset. Enter phone pin and click on clear. After click on clear, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix if mobile data is not working on Narzo 100 Lite. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.